Okay, so my screen is visible.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Okay, so thank you. So in last lecture we started the uh, subject introduction, vision, and mission of institute and department respectively. Okay, so today we will see this about the title of the subject. Our subject name is plastic engineering. Okay, so as we know that the plastic material can be reshaped by application of heat and power. Okay, so as we know that in our daily life there are n number of applications of plastics. Also we are using that. Okay, so here today we will see the introduction of our subject and its whole details. Okay, hope you guys have written in last lecture. So about the central idea of the subject, I thought this page also completed. Then also we'll repeat it. We are going to deal with study of plastic. Okay, so what is meaning of plastic? Nomenclature of plastic and material different categories of plastic. We'll study it. Next is properties. We will study the different properties of plastics. Okay, there are n number of properties as compared with the another materials. Next, applications in various sectors. Next, processing methods and testing methods. This is also very important. Okay, so next, importance of the subject. Subject is important with respect to easy of processing, low cost, diverse application, unique properties. Okay, why the subject is important? As we know that as compare with the metal, if you compare the plastic with the metal, okay, at a heavy duty working condition or heavy duty loading condition, we can go for the metal. But if there is a not required maximum strength, then or we can say light duty application, the use of metal will be a cost. Okay, so for that purposes, we are using the plastic. Okay, so just you take the example of your four wheeler, as we all guys have seen the front desk or interior of four wheeler. Okay, instead of plastic, we will go for the, if suppose we will go for the metal or seat metal work. Then of course the cost will get increases, but whatever the surface finish will be there, whatever the design will be there, that will not be good as compared with the plastic. Okay, so why the plastic subject is important, so that's it. Okay, so plastic materials have good surface finish, low density heat and thermal insulators. Okay, so this which is required for safety purposes in four wheeler. Okay, so just take a 2 minute time and write down it, importance of the subject. So write it fast. Write it fast. Importance of the subject. Submitted? Anybody, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go for next slide. Subject objectives. First one, to make a student understand about the polymerizations, types, and applications of plastic in different areas. Okay. So different types of plastics materials. Okay. And applications of plastic we will see here, and different types of plastic material. Second point, to make the student familiar about processing and welding of the plastic. Okay, I thought still now you guys have seen the metal which we are welding, but in if we go for the plastic industry, plastic can be welded. Okay, two plastic materials can be, or two plastic sheets can be made welded to each other. Okay, so that is also we are going to see how it is possible. Okay, and the different processes. Third point, to provide the knowledge of the part design, mold design, including cooling systems for injection mold. Okay, so I thought you guys may have knew about this. Okay, so it is all about similar to our metal design, metal body design. Okay, suppose you take the any assembly, engine assembly, you take the uh, mm, screw jaw assembly, any assembly you can, solid assembly you can take here. Okay, for how we are designing our solid assembly or metal assembly, by using that same way we are designing the plastic assembly. Okay, so the next mold design. Mold means plastic or plastic product manufacturing purposes. We need to design the mold, and there is the injection molding machine. I will show one more videos. Just a second. So I'll show one video so you guys will understand how the plastic injection mold. Okay. Okay. So this is a plastic injection molding machine. Okay. So here if you see here, okay, if you see here, here we will fill the raw material. Okay, due to heater, material will get heated, and similar to if you guys have observed a casting process, how the casting is manufacturing, in same way plastic product also we are manufacturing. Okay, here in this area, due to heat, the plastic solid material get converted into the plastic liquid, and that material will go into this nozzle to the mold. Here is a mold, just see the video so you guys will understand how the material. Okay, so this is a plastic injection molding machine. If you see here, injection is happening here. इंजेक्शन म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये सांगायचं झालं तर माणसांना जसं आपण इंजेक्शन करतो, सेम वे ना इंजेक्शन मोल्ड मध्ये मटेरियल भरलं जातं. इंजेक्शन बाय यूज ऑफ इंजेक्शन. ओके, okay, here if you see here, this material is we are injecting into the mold. These are the molds. If you see here, these are the mold, and this cooling water. If you observing here, this is cooling water which is circulated for cooling purposes. This is cooling water. This is cooling water. If you see, these are the molds. Now see the extrusion processes. Just see how this material is going injection into this, and this is un this is moving. Just see how we have manufactured the plastic channel. Blow molding for canal or bottle, for manufacturing of bottle. See here, this is a mold. This is a mold. From this direction, we are injecting the material, and here this is mold, and there is outside we are providing the cooling system. Okay, after injecting, we need to make it cool. Just see here how the material is. Just see here. These are the molds. If you see here, these are the molds. Just such type of plastic production we need to study here. Okay. Okay, so this is very vast and interesting. If you see here, these are the different machines, different production processes, different technology, different types of molds, different types of injection system, different types of cooling system. Okay, so we have n number of interesting points. If you observe, this machine, we are manufacturing the plastic bottles. Okay, every day we are using the water bottle. The manufacturing process is like this. This is Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Thumbs Up, PET material. These are the bottles we are using in daily life. So we need to manufacture. Okay. So same way in plastic engineering, we are just studying. Okay. So how the bottles are we are how bottles we are manufacturing it. It is very interesting. Are you understanding? Please message inbox. Are you understanding? Hello, is it understanding? Okay. So this is simple video. Okay. Okay. Please write down this. Write down this page. Write down this fast. Okay, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
So these are the subject outcomes. Select the plastic material for particular end user application. Okay, so means suppose in future you will be a engineer in any plastic industry. Okay, so if there is any requirement from Coca-Cola or any other companies from any other company or any application purposes. Okay, at that time you need to select the proper material with proper grade so that material can sustain or work at that place properly. Okay, so such selection you need to study. Okay, suggest the suitable plastic molding processes and welding technique for the end user applications. Here means okay. Suppose uh, we are manufacturing the bottles. Okay, for that purposes you need to study a mold. Okay, mold and the molding processes. Okay, what will happen? By better study, you can able to increase the production with a low cost by enhancing the different techniques, by enhancing the uh, different mechanisms. Okay, so that's it. Next, design simple plastic component and injection and compression mold for it. Okay, means now we have seen the different molds. Okay, now we have seen different molds, how the processes, how the machines are working in plastic industry. Okay, in video. Okay, so same machines we need to design it in industry. Okay, so such knowledge also you guys need to enhance. Okay, so these are the subject outcomes. First one is selection of plastic materials or different grades for a different application. Second one, study and suggest the plastic molding processes and different molds. Okay, next is design plastic components and injection processes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, write down this page. Write down this page fast. Okay, after completion, just a message box as a completed. So we'll go ahead. Okay, so go for next slide. This is all over about the lectures. So we have 3 hours lectures per week and 2 hours practical per batch per week. Okay. So for examination, we have 70 marks ESE, 30 marks ISE, and ICA 25 marks. Okay. So if you want, you can write it, but I thought it's not necessary. Okay. So syllabus, we have two sections, section first and section second. Okay. So in section first, we have 3 topics. Unit number first, introduction to plastics, processing and weldings of plastics. In unit number 3, design of plastics part. Unit number 4, design of compression molds, injection mold design, and cooling of plastic injection mold. Okay, so we have 6 chapters. So you do one thing. So instead of writing all thing, you just give the subject name plastic engineering, and do one thing, just write the syllabus. Okay, so write it, give the section first, and write the syllabus of 3 chapters. Write down the number of lectures also. Write it fast, take a 5 minute time, but complete it properly, because which is necessary for us. Okay, so write it. So is it completed? Anybody, please?
No, sir.
Okay. So write it fast. So remaining guys, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down the second section syllabus. Write down this. If it is not visible, then do one thing, just zoom your mobile screen. So it will be visible to you guys. So is it completed? Sudarshan Mali, what is your roll number? Please change this, make it as a standard. Sudarshan Mali. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Remaining guys, is it completed? Message me inbox fast.
Wait, sir.
So is it completed? Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have took your attendance. So thank you all guys for attending this session. So today we'll stop here. Our next lecture will start chapter number first. Thank you all of you.